So welcome to yet another video. This video I'm going to do weekly analysis of Nifty, India Headline Index Nifty. And this particular video going to be short to the point. I'm going to share my view on Nifty, CNX IT, and also what I'm seeing in terms of the Bank Nifty as well. It is important that we understand where the Nifty is going, because overall, once you don't understand that how the headline index is working, then vis-a-vis your stocks selections could be in the wrong side of it. So you need to make sure that you understand overall trend of the market, and that's why I'm going to come up regularly with the weekly analysis of Nifty. And what I will share with you, my screen in a minute. If you are new to my channel, do subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, because I keep coming out with the latest videos on stock investing, analysis on the companies, and technical and fundamental both analysis, as well as I share a lot of insights about investing to make you a profitable and better investors. All right. Without further ado, let me share my screen. Let's get started. So this, what you see on your screen right now, is the Nifty daily chart. Okay, and I keep sharing this on my TradingView platform as well as on my Telegram channel. I'll leave the link below. You can join in and be part of my VIP group. So I share a lot of insight very quickly on the Telegram channel. So this is the key support which I shared earlier, and that is 16,453, which is a key support. And obviously, there has been some deep gush and correction in Nifty because overall the trend is changing because of Fed has announced that they're going to be interest rate hike, because they're kind of losing the rope in the terms of the interest rate further cut, or maybe keeping the same interest rate as well. So what does it mean? That is that easy money is going to move out from stocks and go into fixed income, and that way you're going to see some money getting pulled out from Indian market. And that's why also the mother of all market, America, also got corrected on Friday. So let's still, from the trend point of view, I think on daily chart, I don't see that there is a change in trend, because that was my key level to support, that is 16,453. That's a key level of which I'm looking at. Below that, definitely it'll be a Nifty will start making lower lows, and which means that trend is changed for medium term. So let's go to the weekly analysis. And again, from the weekly also, this is the main support. As you can see here, post-COVID dip, which was this one, as you can see on your screen. There has been a humongous rally which has come in. Now there's been, after every rally, you have to basically take a rest, and this is a bit of a pause which has come in. I'm expecting that this will be a key support which still hold it. If it goes below that on a weekly closing basis, definitely that means we are looking at trend changed for medium term. And also at the same point, and I want to take your attention to something very important. As you can see, this is now monthly chart. Okay, and I want to again highlight, this is a weekly, third week of January, that is 22nd Jan 2022. I'm sharing my view on this one. And also just want to remind you, this is, I'm sharing only for education purposes. In case you're making any decisions on buy, sells, please do consult your financial advisor. I'm just sharing what I am doing and what my best knowledge is I want to share through this channel. If you're liking a content, do hit a thumbs up as well, and then we can, that encourages us to make more videos like this. So as you can see here, there's a strong resistance line which has been now drawn from, which is coming from 2007 or 2008 January. And this will now act as a big resistance. If I pull this down, this will act as now a big resistance for Nifty. And above this only, I will consider that the trend has been intact, and we'll see some new highs going forward. If I draw quickly the let's do some analysis on Fibonacci as well, so that we know. So take this. So this is also a key level where it is, as you can see, 1.68 is the Fibonacci extension. We're seeing this. This is a key level where it's consolidating. So Again, this also comes in as one of the support lines. So there's a confluence here with the support. What was the support line we were looking at? It is this as well. So exactly at this point is where the Nifty has previously taken a support and took a reverse, and these were 3 week up days, and now we're going to see a big bearish candle has formed. I'm expecting that the Nifty will be in this range before it takes either the decision to go further up, or it will go correct. And the next level which we can see in the correction is that easily you can see the next level coming in will be the level 14151, and the next one is also at the key level, which is Fibonacci level of 13,000. Obviously those are quite a deep correction, so hope that doesn't this levels are stays intact in coming weeks. We'll keep a close watch on it, and because we have to make the right decisions, and we have to understand the trends of overall market before we can take positions on individual stocks. So with that, I just want to quickly share with you the view on the CNX IT, because obviously there has been some decent correction, but nothing to worry here. I think what is important here is this level, which is where it should take support, which is 3,406.48. So that's a weekly chart, and on the monthly chart also, I don't see, as long as holds the previous month, I think the trend will be intact. And if it closes below this, then obviously it's good time to take some profit off the table if you are invested in Nifty, in specifically on the IT stocks. Let's go quickly look at the Bank Nifty. Obviously, that Bank Nifty. Let's look at weekly chart. So weekly chart, I think from view here, the Bank Nifty is looking much more stronger than Nifty. If you look at it, let's draw some trend lines here to understand. Again, trend lines are only the view which tells you the key support levels, and you can see here this has been trend line which has been respecting for post-COVID fall. So I think this will be something, will be key levels to watch out for. And this oblique line is where we see some support, and after that the next levels which we want to track is Control J, is we're going to take these levels, and these are some of these swing lows. Okay, so hopefully should respect this trend line, which is this one. Support trend line. So I'm looking at this one, specifically this one. I'll change the color so that we are clear. Let's make it this one red. So that's okay. So the red one is where we see, it's a support post-COVID. So we should see some support here. And the blue one is the next trend line. And this horizontal one is another support levels. So hopefully, understand the key levels here, which is on the screen here. And well, these are just numbers. At the end of the day, we are invested in stocks, and you have to look at your own stocks. Are they really correcting more than the index? Is there any strengths? So there's a lot more analysis has to be done specifically when you look at the stocks. So without taking more time of yours, thanks for joining me. And please, if you're new to my channel and you're not subscribed, please hit the subscribe button, and also hit the notification bell and hit the like button if you're liking our content. Till the next video, bye-bye.